Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I will be introducing you to the basics of Metatrader 4 and how you can use it to make money in the foreign exchange market. So without wasting much time, let's just go to our Play Store and search MT4. So yes, this is Metatrader 4. I already have the app installed. In your case, you are going to see install right here. Click on install and let's open the app. So when you open the app, you'll be presented with this page. Let's look at our top right corner and click on the plus symbol. Here we want to add a broker account, so you click on login to an existing account. Now when you sign up with a broker, you will be given your login details and a server, so you have to search for the server here. In my case, it is XM Global Demo for the purpose of this video. Now I already have the login ID, so I'll paste it here, and then the password that they gave me, and you sign in. Once you sign in, it will show your name and your balance as well, and indicates the server, whether it's a live account or a demo account. In this case, it is a demo account. Now when you look at the bottom part of the app, we have some buttons there. The first one is your watch list, the next one is your chart, then you go to where you see your running trade and your balance. The next one is your history, and then news. The last one is not really necessary, so we are going to tackle them one after the other. Let's start with the watch list. Watch list is basically the pairs that you are monitoring, or the ones that you have your eyes on. So here are all the pairs that are on my watch list. If you want to add a new pair, you just click on the plus button at your top right corner here. Let's click on it. Then you have all the assets that are offered by your broker. So when I click on this, I can add this pair to my watch list. I can also add this one. If I want to add some metals, I can just click on it and add gold, silver. So when we go back, we should be able to find the assets that we added, or the pairs that we added. So we have gold here, we have silver here, and the other currency pairs. So that is basically your watch list. Now the next button is the technical chart. So when you click on it, this is what a technical chart looks like. Basically, this is what a lot of traders use to do what we call technical analysis, to predict the next direction of the market. You guys, if you do not understand what technical analysis is, don't worry. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, click on post notifications, so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified, because we are going to delve deeper into technical analysis and a whole lot of stuff. This channel is made to educate you about Forex and how you can make money from the Forex market. So let me briefly introduce you to technical charts. What you see here are called candles. The red and the green colors here, they are called candles. The green candle represents bullish move, that is appreciation in the value of a currency. The red candles represent bearish move, that is depreciation or decline in the value of a currency. That is the basics of this technical chart that you see here. Now let's go to our next button, which is this one. This shows you your balance. Currently the balance here is a little over 600, and when you have a running trade, you are going to see them right here. Okay, all this empty space will be filled with running trades. Now the next button is your history, this one. Alright, when you have closed trades, they will be shown here under your history. Okay, this will be shown here. You can also click on your top right corner here, and you'll be able to adjust the amount of data that you want to see, whether today, last week, last month, or you can custom your own period here. Now, trust me guys, the buttons that you'll be using often are the first four, which include the watch list, the charts, your trades, the open trades, and then your history. The first four are the ones that you'll be using often. Now let's look at how we can execute a buy and a sell trade using the Metatrader 4 app. So to execute a trade, we need to select a pair. So in our case, we want to trade gold right here. So you locate gold. After locating gold, you just tap on it once. A pop-up menu will appear and you see new order. Let's click on new order. After you click on new order, you will be presented with the order window. When you look at the bottom of it, you have sell by market and then buy by market. So if you have done your technical analysis and whatsoever and you think the value of gold is going to appreciate, then you would want to buy gold. If you think the value is going to decline, then you would want to sell gold. Okay, we will go deeper into technical analysis and at what point you should be buying or selling. But for now, I just want you to know how you can execute a buy trade and a sell trade. So let's just execute first of all a sell trade on gold. To execute a sell trade, you first of all have to set what we call your risk. In Forex, we call it lot size. After setting your risk, then you come to the bottom part and click on sell by market. Alright, so let's execute it. Let's use this lot size and then we click on sell. Instantly, when you click on sell, you are in the trade. So we have a sell trade on gold now. Let's look at how we can also buy. We go through the same process. You tap on it, click on new order. This time let's use a different lot size. And again, if you do not understand anything, you can also comment in the comment section and we will try our best to answer you. So here we take lot size 0.1 and we click on buy. Exactly. Now you can see that I have a buy trade on gold and then a sell trade on gold. That is how you can use the Metatrader 4 to trade on the prices of different assets. Now let's look at what we call stop loss and take profit. Basically, when you are trading, you don't want to overexpose yourself to the market. You want to always protect yourself. When you look at my left hand side, you can see a red line here. That is what we call stop loss. Stop loss. Now, stop loss is basically how much you want to lose in the market. That is how much you want to risk in the market. Let's say you have $100. You can decide to risk just $2. And you can only do that by using what we call stop loss. The next one here, which is on my right, is a green line. It is called take profit. Take profit is basically how much you want to make on the trade. So if you have take profit, let's say you are risking $2, so you have put in a stop loss that is equal to $2. You can also put in a take profit that is maybe equal to $5. You put that right here. So let's just put in a stop loss and take profit on gold. Okay, I have already put in a stop loss price and then the take profit. What we are going to do is to execute a buy on gold. So here, buy. Now when I tap on all these pairs here, you can see that this is the only one that has a stop loss price and a take profit price. The other ones here are all empty because we did not set any stop loss or take profit. This means that apart from the first trade at the top, the other two, they are exposed to the market. All right. It also means that in case of heavy market volatility, you are exposed to losing all your money because you don't have any stop loss. Now that we know how to set stop loss, how to also execute a trade, let's look at how to close a trade. Assuming we are making profit on a trade, as you can see here, this trade is making us a profit. These ones are in losses now. First of all, let's close the losses. You can just tap and hold on the pair. You will see a pop-up menu with close order. Click on it, then it shows you an order to close with a loss or profit. So let's click on this one. Is a loss, so we click on it. We do the same for this. Close. Good. Then here we also close our profit here. Exactly. So this is just for illustration purposes. That is why we just open trades anyhow without any technical analysis. Now let's click on the history to see the trades that we've already closed. We go to this And here you can now see that these are all the trades that we have taken today, all right, and how much we made on each of them. So yes, basically that is how you'll be able to execute trades using the MetaTrader 4. And please guys, if you find value in this video, please make sure you click on the like button so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to other people for them to benefit as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.